So friend, this is my computer hardware series video, and I'm already created a lot of series in this my playlist computer hardware videos. So watch previous video, very important for you that you cannot understand because my all video part wise. So understand types of computer, how many types of computer, and every computer different wise work and related is using these systems, and different wise. Some people what is a hardware, what is a hardware with work software, and what different hardware to software, what is a system software, what is the application software related video I'm already created. So now in this my video basic I'm already created basic computer parts and hardware, operating system software and networks. So you can see software basic computer parts very important for firmware, models of firmware and device driver, and types of computer device I'm already told you, and different device I'm talk with you. Okay, and my last some previous video input output in on motherboard and input output device I am already discussed my last previous video, very important for watch my video because we are understand computer hardware series. So we are know about mouse related video and continue this mouse related informations and different voice systems. So understand about mouse, and this my all video continue mouse related video, and after create a keyboard and monitor, CPU, motherboard, RAM, hard disk, extra. Okay, so what is a mouse I am already created last my previous video, and mouse related different device setup, and today I'm know about we are now learn about basic computer part with mouse. So what is a mouse basic part? So let's start and understand this technology mouse. So let's start this video. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So write this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
here, and
this is a
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related computer related advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist, and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options, and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
so friends, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control panel using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 the basic related, what is a Windows 7, what is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit, what is a 32-bit. So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I
this is a my
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So first you can see here this is a mouse related video. So what is a mouse and why we are using? Because I'm first my video mouse video already told you we are control everything. items and operating system. It is very important for computer and computer related some software control. Okay, so very important for these devices, and mouse is one type of input device because these only send signal to for computer and controlled by this driver. So a mouse typically has two buttons. Okay, so a mouse have only two main button. Primary button. So what is the primary button? Your left side button. Okay, left is your primary button. You open, double click open folder, and click on start menu, click on file open. It is a primary button. And secondary button is usually right button. Okay, so two button have a mouse, primary button left side and secondary button you are using right side. Okay, so right side button give option and some related information. It is one type of very useful and most ofly basic computer parts related of right side button. You will see the primary button most often because we are most of you using left side button, primary button, and some very sometime using right side secondary buttons for a menu. So you can see just most of mouse also include a scroll wheel between the button to help you scroll through documents and web page more easily. So to button between a scroll wheel. Okay, so what is a scroll wheel? Scroll wheel you can help you scroll up to down to a lot of web pages and some documents. So a scroll wheel easily to move up and down. Okay, so this scroll wheel helps you for you. So the basic part of your mouse scroll wheel. On some time mouse to scroll wheel can be pressed to a third button. So what is the third button? Scroll wheel press third button. Okay, so this is a advanced type button, and actually this type of mouse some specially to create optical mouse have this button optical mouse. Okay, only not old generation just like trackball type mouse. Old generation the model have not scroll wheel and scroll wheel in you know press third button have not. Advanced mouse have additional button that can perform other function. So advanced mouse additional function related creative especially to gaming type mouse. Okay, you are playing gaming, advanced level gaming and high level graphics gaming. So more perform other functions available. Now this time special created mouse, this type you can see just here. So you can see just here this is a gaming type mouse and this is simple of work mouse. Okay, I will discuss one by one additionally and very important for your mouse related. So next time I will continue types of mouse. Okay, so it is a types of mouse, how many type mouse, and I will discuss with everything. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time maybe make big and long videos. Okay, so what is a mouse I am already told you, and what is a mouse have basic parts I am this already tell you this my in this video. Okay, so now we are next time we will discuss types of mouse and how many types mouse and why using this type mouse. So continue I will discuss in next time. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will meet you with this new topic types of mouse. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on like button and click on bell icon. Either YouTube never send new notifications information related video, so you must click on bell icon and subscribe for my support channel. So thank you, have a nice day. I will continue on this topic next time. Okay, so thank you.